Good morning, students. In today's class, we will study about punctuation marks. So let us see what are punctuation marks. Punctuation marks are symbols that are used in sentences and phrases. These marks include capital letters, full stops, apostrophe, commas, question marks, exclamation marks, etc. Today we will study about the usage of capital letters in the sentences. So here are some rules that we need to follow while using the capital letters. And our first rule is that we use capital letters at the beginning of sentences. It means the first letter of the first word of every sentence should always be in capital letter. The second rule is we begin the names of people, places, rivers, mountains, the days of the week and the months of the year with a capital letter. We also begin names of books, newspapers, magazines, organizations, trades, languages, festivals and holidays with a capital letter. Now let's proceed towards the exercise. In this exercise, you have to rewrite these sentences using capital letters where needed. So let us see the first sentence. The boy has 4 marbles in his bag. In this sentence, the first letter of the first word, that is T, will be in capital and the remaining will be same. Second sentence, English is my favorite subject. E of English will be in capital as it is the first word of the sentence and the first letter will be in capital. Third sentence, we had a holiday last Friday for Eid. Obviously, as you know, the first letter of the first word of the sentence will be in capital, so W will be in capital. In the same sentence, you see the word Friday is there as it is a day of the week, so F of the Friday will be in capital and Eid is a festival, so E of Eid will also be in capital. In the fourth sentence, Nisha is going to Singapore in December. N of Nisha will be in capital letter and also it is a proper noun. So wherever the proper nouns are in the sentence, whether they are in the beginning or in the mid of the sentence, they will be always in capital letter. S of Singapore will be in capital and D of December will also be in capital. Fifth sentence, he sat near the window reading the Times. The first letter will be in capital. In the same sentence, you see the Times. Do you know what is the Times? The Times is a name of a newspaper, so it will be in capital. Sixth sentence, I went to Nehru Park last Sunday with my parents. I of this sentence will be in capital and you know that I is a pronoun and this I means this pronoun I is always be in capital wherever it is in the sentence, either in the beginning or in the mid of the sentence, because it refers to an individual. As you say, Nehru Park, it's a place, so it is in capital. S of Sunday, it is the day of the week, so S will be in capital. In the last sentence, the famous book Little Women tells the story of 4 young women. The famous book Little Women. Little Women is a name of a book. So L of little and W of women will be in capital. Hope you all have understood. So thank you and have a great day.